Rewriting the lyrics to What's New, Pussycat by Tom Jones in honor of the lawsuit won by Elizabeth Jean Carroll. Nothing's new, pussycat. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hashtag me too, pussycat. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't touch my pussy. Stay away. Don't abuse. Pussycat, don't touch mine. Stay away. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hashtag me too, pussycat. Whoa, 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 whoa. With hashtag me too. Hashtag me too. So go and make up your big little pussycat eye. Pussycat, pussycat. Ronan, Satchel, Ronan, O'Sullivan, Pharaoh, Sinatra. Hashtag me too, woo woo. Hashtag me too, woo woo. Meow, 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 meow. Come true. I'll soon be kissing your sweet little pussycat. Ew. Pussycat, hashtag me too.